Java program. So we will also check with the various maximum value. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to cover integer, long, byte and short and boolean data types. Okay, so let's check that first, and we will also check the what the default value Java will save. Okay, so now I have created one demo program here. Okay, so this is the basic structure in which we are creating one class, and inside class you have to create this main method, and inside main method I am okay. Let's start with the integer int x. Int x is equal to, let's take the maximum value here. Okay, and paste it. Okay, I'm changing the name to ABC. Okay, so we have to change name to the ABC. ABC. So okay, so inside that folder where I have saved my ABC program, I can see the .java file. Okay, so let's open your command prompt. Run your command prompt as an administrator and change your directory wherever you have saved your program. You have to take it till that path and copy it and paste it. Okay, click on enter. Okay, so now you are in that path. Now do this compilation. For that you have to write this command javac, name of the file dot java with dot java extension. Click on enter. Okay, so as you can see that they have shown this error as this comma operator is not allowed here. So that's why you have to use this underscore. Okay, so let's check again what will happen. Javac abc.java. Okay, now it is compiling successfully. So let's check what happened inside that Java folder. Okay, so inside this Java folder, I can also see the .class file. Okay, so now code is converted into the source code to the byte code. Okay, so now you have to execute that byte code. So for that, the command is java abc. Okay, so click on enter. So now you can see this is the largest possible number you can save in integer type of the data. Okay, so you can also save any number like 1 2 3 4, like 25. You can also do that. And let's check. Okay, so you can see that we can save any number in this range. Okay, so this is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. Okay, so next data type we are going to check is, and we can also check that when compile time error will come. Okay, suppose if I'm exceeding the range. Okay, so this is the number and let's exceed the range. Let's exceed the range with 10, suppose, and try to compile it. Now you will receive compile time error here. I'm just trying to show you. Okay, so the integer number is a too large. Okay, so it is exceeding the maximum number, so we are getting this compile time error. Okay, so let's check with the short data type. Now short is also saving integer types of data, but the range is very smaller than integer, so it is from -32,768 to 32,767. So for this range you can use a short is only taking a 2 bytes. Okay, so copy this number, you can note down this number in your book, or you can check it with your system. Okay, you have to remove this comma operator and separate the number with underscore. Okay, and save it and again compile it. Okay, so for that, Java C abc.java is the command. Enter. Okay, Java abc. Okay, so this is nothing but we have compiled it and now you can execute it. Okay, so this is what it is. Now it is successfully executing. Now let's exceed the range here. Suppose if I'm increasing the range, if I'm saying 8, let's see what will happen. So you can see compile time error again. So okay, so it is an incompatible type. Okay, there is a you can see it is a different kind of message, that is a lossy conversion from integer to short. Okay, so it is a short and I'm using this number which has more range. Okay, so that's why it will come under integer. So that's why they have said that it is a lossy conversion. So it is not taking the value and it is showing the compile type error. So this is how you can use the integer, sorry, short. Okay, so let's check with the byte what will happen. Maximum value for byte is 127. Do control S minus from -128 to 127. I think this is the range. Okay, so save it. Do control S and run the program. Java C abc.java. Okay, now you can see that you can easily. Okay, so you can see this is the number. And suppose if I'm exceeding the range, you will get the compile time error. So Java C abc.java. Okay, so here it is that possible lossy conversion from integer to byte. Okay, so byte is a smaller in size than integer and we are exceeding the size of byte. That's why I'm getting this kind of error message that it is not compatible. Okay, incompatible types. You are getting incompatible types of message whenever you are trying to exceed it. Okay, so whenever the number is too large, then you have only seen this kind of error in integer where we have tried to increase it with the zeros. So there you get that kind of error. Okay, suppose if I'm saving it as a 1288, let's see what kind of error message I will get. There also I'm getting same error. So this is okay. Till now we have learned about integer, short, and byte. So let's check with the long and boolean. So for long, I'm also taking the largest or maximum value that we have seen in last lecture. This is this long. So let's take this value, copy it and paste it. Okay, so you have to remove this all, comma with Java C ABC dot Java. It with the long. Okay, so long having a large size. This is the maximum size for the long. You have to make sure that you are ending your long number with the L. So you have to end up with the capital L. So let's do that. Like I have compiled it just before. So we are able to compile it successfully. And suppose if I am increasing the range, so let's see what happens. So let's do that. I will get the compile time error. Java Java CABC dot Java. Okay, so this is a number is integer number is a too large. Okay, so that's why it is showing the compile time error. Okay, so this is what about a long number. You have to make sure that if your number is greater than this, okay, so then only you should use long. Otherwise, you can use the integer. Okay, and if your number is a shorter than this, okay, if your number is in between this range, okay, then you should use a short. If your number is between this range, then you should use a byte.